So you want it to go directly down the middle, but if it doesn't work, then you need to start scooting it. Like this. Scoot, 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 scoot. It needs to be all structured on each side. Not straight in the middle. Nope, you want it to be straight in the middle. So let's try on this side. See, look. You want it to be to the corner, and that's not to the corner. So you're going to want to fold it again, like this. See, look. Scoot, scoot. Scoot, but take a look at the other side. You want it to be straight. And then you can just cut the side or do something like that. Your choice. So the paper's still not straight. You see that it's not straight. So let's try. Difficult. And if you're wondering, do this. Oh, no. Can't do this. But that'd be helpful. Okay, do this. And then do it like this. And then do that. But you're going to want to do it the other side. Like that. So what you're going to want to do is do it like a square. But you're going to want to get some of it like that. And then go back and do that. So then fold it there. And then you're going to want to take this piece, fold it up like this. So take this piece right here, or one of the corners, doesn't matter, and then just fold it up like this. And then get the corners of that, and then get the other side, do it like this. It's like a little, I could have done, but then you're gonna fold it all out like a triangle again. So you can take this piece up here, fold it down like this, put it like that, take this piece. Okay, so you take this piece, fold it down, take this piece, and then all the extra you just tuck it in. And then do the same with the other side. And there you have it. If you want, you can put tape down the middle. That's how you done it this way. Put tape down the middle. And there you go. You can put it at the end of your book. Okay, bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.